Are you feeling nervous about your upcoming job interview? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our video series will give you tips and tricks to help you feel confident and prepared.
Good morning, and thank you for coming in today to interview for the surgeon position. Can you start by telling us a little bit about your background and experience in the field?
Good morning, and thank you for having me. I have been a practicing surgeon for the past 15 years and have a passion for using my skills to make a positive impact on my patients' lives. I have extensive experience in performing complex surgeries and have consistently received positive feedback from my patients and colleagues.
That's great to hear. Can you tell us about a specific surgical case that you are particularly proud of and why?
Absolutely. I recall a case where I performed a delicate spinal surgery on a patient who had been suffering from severe back pain for many years. The patient was scared and anxious about the procedure, but I made sure to communicate with them throughout the process, explaining each step and ensuring they felt comfortable. After the surgery, the patient's pain had completely disappeared and they were overjoyed with the results. It was one of the most rewarding experiences of my career, and I am proud to have been able to help this person return to a normal, pain-free life.
That's impressive. Can you tell us about your experience working with a team of medical professionals?
Collaboration and teamwork are essential in the surgical field, and I have extensive experience working with teams of doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals. I believe that clear communication and mutual respect are key to ensuring a successful outcome for the patient. I also prioritize ongoing education and training for myself and my team to stay up to date on the latest advancements in surgical techniques and technologies.
How do you approach difficult or complex surgical cases?
I approach every case with a calm and methodical approach. I thoroughly review the patient's medical history and imaging results and consult with my colleagues if necessary. I also make sure to carefully explain the procedure to the patient and answer any questions they may have. During the surgery, I stay focused and adapt to any unexpected developments while maintaining the safety and well-being of the patient as my top priority.
That's great to hear. Can you tell us about a time when you had to make a difficult decision in a surgical setting?
I recall a case where there were complications during surgery, and I had to make a quick decision to switch to a different surgical technique to ensure the patient's safety. It was a stressful situation, but I was able to remain calm and focused and make the necessary adjustments to ensure a successful outcome. I believe that this demonstrates my ability to think on my feet and make sound decisions in high-pressure situations.
Excellent. Thank you for sharing that. Can you tell us about your experience with continuing education and staying current with advances in surgical technology and techniques?
Continuing education and staying up to date with the latest advancements in surgical technology and techniques is of utmost importance to me. I regularly attend conferences and workshops, and I also actively seek out opportunities for hands-on training to keep my skills sharp. I believe that ongoing education is essential for providing the best possible care for my patients.
That's great to hear. Thank you for your time today. We appreciate you coming in.
Thank you for the opportunity. It was great speaking with you, and I am very impressed with the hospital and the surgical team here.
We'll be in touch regarding the next steps. Have a great day.
Thank you. Dress professionally and arrive on time. First impressions are important, and dressing professionally and arriving on time will show the interviewer that you are serious about the position and respectful of their time. Thanks for joining us for our video series on job interview questions in English. We hope you feel more prepared and confident for your next job interview. Remember to follow up with a thank you note and to be aware of your online presence.